It's simple to see it's at Magic TV, so the world can believe it's at Magic TV. It's simple to see it's at Magic TV, so the world can believe it's at Magic TV.
Well, here we are, another celebration at ASCAP. How are you feeling right now?
Man, I feel real good. I think I should have been doing some awards this year. I'm going to Kanye it out right now, let them know, we are the greatest. And every year we should be getting an award for something. We should get an award for showing up. Me and my partner here, Jay Valentine, Song Dynasty, in the building. I don't know what's going on. I feel cheated.
Well, one thing for sure, they can't take the fact away about your creation, your vision, and how you create the messages to reach the people.
Yeah, music that we do, is definitely more than just, a trendy item to be played in the club or hopefully to get some radio play. But, we put messages in it that hopefully change lives. And I'm here to support all those writers who've done all of that, up until this point, who are here getting these awards, man. That's why we're here.
So what's new for you?
We're here getting it popping, man. We're here to introduce our new company, Song Dynasty. My partner, Jay Valentine, artist as well, producer, singer, songwriter, the whole nine. So we're really here to let people know that we're here, we're killing. We're working on everything moving from R&B to folk music. We're getting it done.